In the vast tapestry of life, there are threads that weave through the fabric of our existence, guiding us through the moments of doubt and uncertainty, propelling us towards the light of self-discovery and empowerment. Today we embark on a journey fueled by the flames of resilience and determination, a journey towards self-care, financial empowerment, and the fulfillment of our daily goals. Self-care is not a luxury, it is a necessity. It is the foundation upon which we build our dreams and aspirations. Take a moment to breathe, to center yourself amidst the chaos of life. Nourish your body, mind, and soul, for within you lies power to conquer mountains and traverse oceans. Financial empowerment is not merely about wealth. It's about freedom. It's about taking control of your destiny and shaping a future filled with abundance and prosperity. Take charge of your finances. Set goals and cultivate the habits that will lead you towards financial independence. Accomplishing daily goals is the cornerstone of success. It is the small victories that pave the way for greatness. Break down your dreams into actionable steps, and with each stride, inch closer towards the summit of your aspirations. Believe in the power of consistency and perseverance, for they are the keys that unlock doors to infinite possibilities. Anxiety may cast shadows upon our path, but it is within the depths of darkness that we discover the strength of inner light. Believe in yourself, dear soul, for you are capable of overcoming any obstacle that stands in your way. Embrace vulnerability, for it is the gateway to resilience and growth. As we journey through life, let us remember that we are not alone. We are interconnected beings, bound by the threads of humanity. Reach out to those in need, lend a helping hand, and together we shall rise above adversity, united in our quest for a brighter tomorrow. And so, my dear friends, as we bid farewell to this moment in time, let us carry forth the flames of hope and inspiration in our hearts. For in the tapestry of life, each thread, no matter how small, contributes to the beauty of the whole. Rise above, and may your journey be filled with love, courage, and boundless joy.